Okay, this is our first example in a review of graphs of straight lines. And in this question, we're asked to write the equation of the line 3x plus 5y equals 9 in slope-intercept form. Now remember, slope-intercept form means getting y on its own. Okay, so anytime you see slope-intercept form, what you want to do is get y on its own. Okay, and we do that by moving all the terms that don't have a y to the other side of the equal sign. So if we look, we've written out the question 3x plus 5y equals 9. We want to make sure that the y is left on its own. So first of all, anything that doesn't have a y, move it across to the other side of the equation. And this 3x piece, there's no y there, the 3x piece doesn't have a y, so we'll move that across. Okay, so it's going to become 5y is equal to 9, and now we move the 3x across. But remember from the last couple of weeks that when we move something from one side of an equation to another, we have to change the sign in front of it. So the 3x moves across the equal sign to the other side of the equation. It's going to become minus 3x. So we're back to this. If we change sides, then we change sign. Okay, and that never goes away. Okay, that will never go away. If one piece of an equation moves across the equal sign, then we have to change its sign. Okay, the last thing to do at this point is just to divide both sides by whatever is in front of your y. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides here by whatever's in front of our y. That's 5. Okay, and then finish it off. 5y equals 9 minus 3x, and we're going to divide individually by 5. So we're going to divide this piece by 5, this piece by 5, and this piece by 5. Mathematically, we could do it this way. We could say 5y over 5 is equal to 9 minus 3x over 5. But it won't be as helpful. It's for our purposes and what we're going to do next, it makes more sense to divide each of the individual pieces by 5 rather than dividing the entire right hand side. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. The 5's will cancel here, and you're left with y is equal to 9 over 5 minus 3x over 5. And that is now in slope-intercept form because the y is on its own. And hopefully that's okay for everybody. There is one other little thing we can do. It's not a huge thing, but it's something that will help you later on. This piece in the end, the negative 3x over 5, if we want to, we can slide the x out to the side. Okay, so make it 9 over 5 stays the same, but the minus 3x over 5, we can make that minus 3/5 of x, and we slide the x out to the side. Now we make sure that it doesn't go underneath, but we slide it out to the side. And either of these two versions that I have in the box are fine. So it's okay to leave the x on top, and it's okay also to leave the x out to the side. Sometimes you might want it one way, sometimes you're happy to have it the other way. Okay, hopefully that was all right.